Hi guys, welcome back. Now, as you can see, I got another box to unbox. Now this one I know is from Xavier Martinez at Xavier's Bonsai Retreat. So let's open it up and have a look, shall we? Polystyrene what's it? Thanks Xavier, it's basically what I've always wanted. There we go. Beautiful larch. I'm very happy with that. Thanks Xavier. I'm going to treat this like my baby. Been after one for ages. I'll bring you in and I'll give you a closer look in a minute. Oh, brilliant, look at that. 2-year-old elm cutting. That's beautiful. I really do like that. Right, let me get rid of all this lot and we'll have a closer look at the tree, shall we? Here's the larch. It's one of my favourite trees. I love it. I actually got in contact with Xavier about getting a larch from him when I watched his cloud larch video, which will be up here somewhere. Go and give that a watch. It's very interesting. Now we'll have a look at the elm. Really pretty. I like that very much. So there we go, guys. 2 new trees for me to play with in the future. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a like, sub and a share, and definitely go and check out Xavier's videos and his channel. And I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.